Hey, what is up guys, Trix is here and today we're doing the unboxing of this wireless speakers. So let's get right to the unboxing. So this is the Remix wireless speaker, and as you guys can see you can use Bluetooth too, and this how it works. On the back they shows that how it works and also the specification of this product. So let's unbox this. Opening the box, and this is the speaker. Oh, and this is the Remix wireless speaker. As you guys can see, it's very cool, and also we'll get a guide for it, and also a charger. So let's try this for the first time. So that's how it looks once you put it on your neck. It's comfortable, and yeah, thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for next video. Take care and peace.